Hello folks. This is Ankit and I am going to host the complete DirectAdmin beginner tutorial series. Myself, I have been a web developer for over 7 years. And currently, I am one of the support executives working at St. Chu. And as said before, I will be the host of this complete tutorial series. So, what is DirectAdmin in the first place? DirectAdmin is a web-based server control panel, which allows us to manage a web server through a web browser. It is very similar to the internet's most famous control panel called cPanel. With DirectAdmin, we can carry out a lot of web server related operations easily, without a sweat. In this video series, we're about to learn 13 different topics or even more than that. First, I hope it is essential for you to have knowledge of how everything works in DirectAdmin and its base architecture. DirectAdmin has 3 levels of user roles. The first level, root. The second level, reseller. The third level, the end user. There can be only one root level user per server. And the root level user is created automatically by the installer when DirectAdmin is installed. And the root user can create resellers. These reseller accounts will be able to create end user accounts. In this video series, we're only going to learn how to perform tasks being an end user. And nothing related to root and reseller level, as the series itself is meant for beginners. There are going to be nearly 15 videos on this series, including topics like file management, databases, domains, security, and a few more. But if you are here to learn anything specific, you can feel free to view what you want. But if you're a complete beginner to DirectAdmin, I highly recommend you to watch the complete series to get a better idea. I can't wait to see you on board. I will catch you up in my next and first actual tutorial video.